Hey guys, welcome back. And today I am back again with yet another amazing and useful automation which will let you save the record of the chats from a chatting application called as Rocket Chats into Google Sheets automatically. Okay, so many team want to save the record of the chats for various reasons, for noting down important points or for creating a report or for collecting leads, for many reasons. Okay, so going manually inside the chatting application and manually collect the data of the chats is a very difficult and time taking process. So here we have an automation for you which will let you do this automatically, and it is going to look like this. Let me show you. So this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you receive or send any message inside Rocket Chat application, the data of the same message is going to be delivered and will be saved in a row in Google Sheets application automatically. So you need not to manually sort out any details and copy the data and add the data manually. So it will surely save your time, your manual efforts and your energy. And guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge in just few steps. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So first of all, log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach on the dashboard, please use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in and reach the dashboard. And guys, here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So just click here on this create workflow button like this. And now you can give a suitable name to this automation. So I'm giving the name here as rocket.chat to Google Sheets automation. Okay. After filling the name like this, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow is getting created here. And you can see on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow. Okay, so when trigger happens, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. Okay, so it is saying do this. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new message received inside the chat window of Rocket Chat, and the action towards that trigger would be to save the data of that message that you're receiving into Google Sheets automatically. Okay, so first of all you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field you have to choose your trigger application, which is Rocket Chat in our case. Search for rocket.chat like this, select it, and you have to select the trigger event as new message posted to public channel, this one. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, you can see, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application and bring it here in Pabbly Connect's workflow. Okay, so to make the connection with Rocket Chat, you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. So let me show you exactly how you can do this. So I'm going to my Rocket Chat application. This is my dashboard actually, and here I have these text channels: Pabbly General, Pabbly Connect and Z News. Okay, so guys, from here you can see this icon. Just click on it. This is my profile icon, and from here click on administration option. Under administrations, when you scroll down here, you will find this integrations option. Click on integration. Here just click on this new button, this plus icon and new button. Click on new, then click on outgoing. Okay, and here you have to select the event trigger. Let me see the instructions. Okay, so you have to select the event trigger as message sent. Okay, select the event trigger as message sent. Now you can give a name to this integration. I am giving the name as to Google Sheets. Here you can enter the name of your channel. So as you have already seen, I have these channels. Let me show you these 4 channels we have. Let's say I want to collect the chats of general text channel. Okay, so you have to put here, sorry, here in the channel field, put here hashtag general, right, like this. If you want the messages containing some type of specific words to save, you can choose the trigger words also. For now I'm leaving this thing blank, but if you want to collect the message with some trigger words like special, leads, customer, user, that kind of trigger words, you can put the trigger words here. Okay, and then you can use it. And here in this URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here. So just copy this webhook URL and come back here and paste it like this. Okay, now choose the username that this integration will post as. Okay, and the user must already exist. So here you have to put the name, the username of that person who is sending the messages. Okay, and that is going to trigger the workflow. So here I have a user named as arpita.mandoli. So here I am putting this username. Let me just copy this. So you can select any user that you have in your text channel, already existing user. You can use the name of any user like this. Put the username here. After that, scroll down, and we are done now. Okay, so we are done now. Just click on save here, and you can see a new outgoing webhook integration is added here, right? And here in your workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to reach the text channel and send or receive a message. Okay, and that is going to trigger this workflow. So that will act as a test submission. So I'm going back to my channel. This is my channel, general text channel, and here let me type a test message. So let's say the test message is, hey team, our users want some new integrations between Rocket Chat and Google Sheets. So this is a test message I am sending here, and you can see the message is sent with the from admin arpita.mandoli. Let's see in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this message. So you can see in this response section, we got the message captured as this. So it is showing the channel ID, the channel name, the message ID. The timestamp means the date and time of the delivery of the message inside the text channel. The user ID, the user name, and this is the whole message that is being sent is captured here, right? So this is how we can capture the message. Now I want to record this message inside my Google Sheet application. So for that to happen, you have to connect your Google Sheet here in the Sections tab. So search for Google Sheets from here, and in the action event, select add new row, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. So from this window, you need to select the Google account by which you are accessing Google Sheets application. So I'm selecting my account. Okay, then you have to provide some additional accesses to Pabbly Connect to make the connection with Google account. Just click on continue from here, and you can see the authorization is successful and will be connected like this. Okay, now you have to select the name of your spreadsheet. So guys, let me show you. This is a spreadsheet I have created to record the chats. The name of this sheet is Rocket Chat Messages, and these are the things I am recording here. You can see these are the things: channel ID, timestamp, username, and the text message. Okay, so let me select this spreadsheet from this list. So when you click here on the select spreadsheet option, it will show you in the drop down all the spreadsheets that you have created, and from here only let me search for Rocket Chat. This is it, Rocket Chat messages, select it. And you can see the sheet's name is selected here automatically because we have only one sheet here. Sheet 1 is the name. It got selected here. Now it is asking for the channel ID, team, username and the text message. So these are nothing but the header of the columns that we have here. Okay. So I'm going to map the data of these headers from the first step. So we got the data of chats here like this in this format. So I'm going to use these labels here to map the data here. So for the channel ID, just click here and you will find this Rocket Chat option in the drop down, and from here only map this channel ID named as general. For the timestamp, use the same process and you will get the timestamp here like this, map it. For the username, you also use the same process and you'll get the username here like this. And for the text message, just map this text label where you have got the message from Rocket Chat like this. Now you can check your connection with a spreadsheet application by clicking on save and send test request, and this test data that we have mapped here will be here in the third row. Okay, let me show you. Alright, so you can see this is the response we have received. Let's check in our spreadsheet if we got the data. And you can see we got a new row added here automatically with the same data that we have mapped here in our workflow. So this is how it is going to work, guys. And we are done setting up this automation. So you need to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. Let me show you a real-time example. I am going back to my text channel. Okay, let me type another message here. Hello team, we have captured a new lead for our business from emails. Okay, this is a kind of message and I have sent this message. You can see a new message is sent here. Let's check directly now in our spreadsheet if we got the data of this message. So this is, you can see another row is added here with the same message that I have just sent. So our connection, our automation is working perfectly. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.